To demonstrate our new heavy-duty headlight restoration kit, we went to the junkyard to find the worst headlights and restored them from severely oxidized and yellowed to crystal clear and bright. Start by thoroughly washing both headlights to remove any surface dirt and grime. If it's helpful, open your hood for easier access. Then mask around both headlights to prevent overspray on the paint or trim. Fully wet the entire lens and the green pad with water. Using firm pressure, rub one side of the green pad over the lens in a side-to-side motion for approximately 5 minutes. The oxidation residue will appear as a brownish, cloudy liquid. Continue sanding until the residue becomes clearer and the entire lens feels smooth to the touch. Rinse the lens and pad occasionally to keep the area clean and to check your progress. Next, using the brown side of the second pad, fully wet the lens and pad. Then repeat the process in an up and down motion for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Continue adding water as necessary to keep the lens and pad wet and clean. Flip to the purple side of the pad. Re-wet the lens and pad. Then repeat the process in a side-to-side motion for approximately 3 minutes, adding water as necessary. Flip to the unused side of the green pad and repeat the sanding process for the other headlight. Rinse the headlights and surrounding areas well, then use a clean towel to ensure they are completely dry. Your headlights should now have a slightly hazed appearance. Hold the can 8 inches away and evenly spray the entire headlight in a grid pattern, spraying side to side and then up and down. For best results and even coverage, ensure that all areas of the headlight are sprayed, including the edges and corners. Repeat the process on the other headlight. And there you have it. Your headlights are back to their former glory, and you've made your nighttime driving a whole lot safer. Now, it's time to hit the road and enjoy the drive.